Hey guys, so welcome to Delf Stack, and this is how to fix pop-up ads on Google Chrome PC. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now, over here, you could just simply go for the settings tab at the bottom of the screen. And now over here, you will have an option privacy and security on the left side of the screen. So go ahead and click on that. And down below, you should be able to see here site settings. So go ahead and select site settings over here. And now over here, if we scroll down, as you can see, you will have an option over here, pops, ups, and redirects. So go ahead and click on that. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have an option over here. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirect. But if you turn that off, you will now have pop-ups into your browser. So make sure to select don't allow. But if you want to allow it, you can just simply select this one. And you can also go for the customized behaviors over here, which you could select a specific site that are not allowed to use the pop-ups by just simply selecting add over here and provide the site that you don't want the pop-up to be allowed, or you could create an exception as well by providing the website over here. And pretty much this is all the settings that you need about the pop-ups, and from here you can change some settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.